Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe with Heritage Ford. Today we're going to be looking at this 2016 Chevy 2500 Heavy Duty. This thing's got a lot of great features on it. The first thing that we're going to talk about here are going to be these aluminum wheels they put on them. As you come back, you can see we've got our chrome step boards. This vehicle is also equipped with a 4:10 gear ratio, so it is going to be really good at towing if you have anything you need to pull. We've also got this really nice steel Knapheide body on it. It's going to give you 3 storage boxes on each side, as well as a ton of bed coverage back here. And this vehicle is also 4-wheel drive. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look on the inside. The interior, you're going to notice this thing is perfect and equipped, ready to work. It's going to come with your vinyl seats and your vinyl floors, ease of cleaning. You've also got 4 auxiliary switches, so whether you needed to add a winch or a power source to be able to run your tools, you're able to do that. All the hookups are right under the hood and you've got power here at the dash. The next thing we'll talk about is right up here on your touch screen, you're going to have the backup camera. That's going to make it nice for when you're backing up, you can be able to see behind you even with your trailer. All right, folks, now we're going to take it around the block. All right, folks, this is Devin Bledsoe again. Here we are on the inside of the 2016 Chevy. This is a really nice truck, great for work, and it's ready to work. This vehicle has 143,000 miles on it. It is the 6-liter V8 gas engine. It's got a ton of horsepower at 360 horsepower. If you're looking for something you want to work out of, this truck is perfect. Again, we have the Knapheide body on the back. You're going to have 6 storage boxes to be able to put your tools in, as well as still having your bed space. The all vinyl interior, so even if you get dirty at work, you hop in this. This is going to be easy to clean. No lights on the dash. 1 owner truck. It's got a lot of great things going for it. With all of our pre-owned inventory, we offer Carfax, so make sure you check out our website at heritagefd.com. You'll see the Carfax link. Just click on it and it'll bring up the vehicle history report for you. All right, folks, as always, I appreciate you liking and subscribing to our channel. This is Devin Bledsoe, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.